The Miller MB11 heavy-duty shaving tool is an ergonomic tool designed for Corning's armored and non-armored rocket ribbon cable. It features an L bracket for clamping force, a wing knob for cable adjustment, and an offset block for tool-free blade replacement. The reinforced polymer body with metal inserts ensures toughness and wear resistance, while the captive hardware provides durability and long-lasting use. The tool is compatible with standard utility knife blades, making it versatile for various applications. Its advanced features and ergonomic design make the Miller MB11 heavy-duty shaving tool the perfect tool for any professional looking to make cable shaving tasks easier and more efficient. The Wokin 215-piece mechanics tool set delivers the performance and durability you need to handle any job in the garage or at home. This set features an extensive range of SAE and metric-sized sockets and drive tools. The 90-tooth ratchets allow for up to 20% more access in tight spaces, and the reverse switch lever lets you change working direction with one hand. The set includes tools and adapters, 1 micrometer-inch drive 6-point sockets, 3/8-inch drive 6-point sockets, inch 12-point sockets, and screwdrivers. For more specialized applications, the set also includes star bits and a variety of hex bit sockets. The OEMTOOLS Professional Swivel Oil Filter Wrench is a tool with a dimpled band design and 3 sets of grippers to securely hold oil filters. Its 1-inch wide steel band provides substantial gripping power, and the dimpled band design prevents slipping during removal. The swivel design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, and the heavy-duty padded TPR handle ensures a comfortable grip. This wrench is ideal for professional use and is built to last, making it a reliable choice for frequent oil filter changes. Spreading compost with VEVOR's mulch spreader has never been easier. You will provide essential nutrients for your lawn, flowers, plants, and garden. Use our compost spreader to build a wonderful dream garden and lawn. This peat moss spreader is composed of powder-coated steel that is corrosion-proof and rust-proof, ensuring long-lasting use. It features a 24-inch steel basket, making it more time-saving and labor-saving than the traditional method, spreading your needed soil in no time. The manure spreader can run smoothly on different terrains, such as slopes, uneven surfaces, and others. The deluxe tire display is 72 inches long and holds up to 16 tires, with 7 or 8 on each of 2 tiers. With 2 swivel wheels and 2 fixed wheels, it can be moved without the displayed ruck MTD72. The standard tire display is 60 inches long and holds up to 6 or 7 tires on each of 2 tiers. With 2 wheels and 2 steel feet MTD60. This tire display dolly is used to move MTD60 and MTD72 display units. It serves as both a handle and a lever for moving and guiding these rolling tire racks outside and inside MTD. Cleaner floors shouldn't be bag-breaking work. The CAT C40 Rupees Auto Ride-On Floor Scrubber with a 40-inch cleaning path has increased brush pressure, a 220 RPM motor, and offers 73,518 square feet per hour of coverage. Its large capacity solution and recovery tanks allow users to focus more time on cleaning and less time refilling. Safety features such as a seat belt, front blue warning light, front bumpers, and a non-slip diamond tread platform help keep the rider safe during use, making this a safe and ideal scrubber for commercial and industrial applications. The OEMTOOLS No-Spill Coolant Filling Funnel Kit is a highly practical tool that offers a fast and effortless solution to fill automotive cooling systems without causing any spills. This kit is designed with adapters and extensions to fit most domestic and imported cars and light trucks' filler necks or surge tanks. It is incredibly easy to use, making it a valuable addition to any garage or repair shop. The funnel incorporates a fluid stopper, which ensures that there are no spills when removing the funnel from the filler neck. This feature helps prevent messes and reduces the risk of injury from hot or corrosive fluids. Additionally, the funnel is made of durable materials that resist wear and tear, providing long-lasting use. With the WEICON LWL Precision Stripper, primary coatings can be removed quickly and easily with small diameters in the range of 0.1 to 5 millimeters. The funnel-shaped opening on the tool head allows for effortless and precise feeding of the fine fiberglass. Thanks to the high-precision knife, no adjustment of the cutting depth is required. The durable, precisely set pivot springs ensure comfortable working. Quick, easy removal of LWL primary coating 200 to 250. For removing the primary coating of fiberglass cables, diameter 0.1 to 5 millimeters. Blade diameter 0.16 millimeters. Hole for cable feed diameter 0.35 millimeters. The TOLSEN Wall Chaser Machine, Wall Groove Cutting Machine, Wall Slotting Machine 79537 has CE approval. It has an input power of 1,500 watts and a rated voltage of 230-240 volts with a frequency of 50 Hz. The machine has a no-load speed of 8,500 revolutions per minute and a disc diameter of 125 millimeters with a spindle thread of M14. The cutting depth is adjustable between 5 to 29 millimeters, and the cutting width is adjustable between 8 to 30 millimeters. The machine is designed for dry cutting and comes with a spindle lock, depth adjustment, and lock-on function. Additionally, the machine comes with 2% diamond cutting discs, 1% chisel, 1% trench, and 1% side handle. At the beginning of the 20th century, the term pre-hung door didn't exist. Neither did handheld routers or routing templates. Hinges were mortised into doors and door frames with keen chisels and skilled hands. Seeing how much time Finnish carpenters spent laying out these mortises, Stanley Tools invented the butt gauge, a tool with 2 marking gauges and a square all-in-one compact, apron-friendly tool. The number 94 dual beam Scribe is a recreation of the Stanley number 94, which was the second generation of the Stanley butt gauge patented more than 100 years ago. Today, few of us need to tackle hand mortising passageway doors, but this clever tool comes in handy anytime you need to mark 2 different dimensions over and over again. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.